Hey guys, sorry my video, I pushed the wrong button so it went out. But I'm hoping this will survive because there's two things growing on it. And then I put that flower, succulent in there. But yeah, over here. I mean, I'm hoping they survive. I'm not really 100%. I got this from my neighbor. I dug it out from his yard and planted it last year, and it survived. This is gonna be really beautiful. Look at the greenhouse. How pretty is that? Yeah, I'm gonna be watering my plants. Oh, I didn't show you guys. Hold on. Real quick. Look at this. I started wrapping it. So the corn is looking great. This sunflower is pretty tall. This one's a little guy. These tomatoes have something growing on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, it has like a couple flowers. And then a couple flowers here. And then we have that. So pretty much all the tomatoes have flowered. I did take out the first flowers, but I'm gonna leave them. And then this pepper. It's already flowering. It's already starting to wrap. It's round. The beans. Let's see here. This peas, I want it to wrap. Okay. Something ate that. This pea keeps trying to wrap itself something else. So let's do it like that. It looks kind of crappy now, but it will look pretty. Whee! I got sunflower here. Oh, look. Sunflower here. Here. Oh, look. We got some peas trying to grow. Other way, let's wrap it around here. See it? The celery that I got from the greenhouse doesn't really look like it's doing too good. I'm not sure. This one looks like it's doing good. I want this to latch onto that. The green beans look like it's been eaten, tortured. And we got a little guy in the far back. And this lettuce I saved when I was harvesting them. This is the one I saved, and it's doing good. And then look at that. The carrots are doing good. The marigolds in the background. Yeah, I don't know. I did plant bok choy, but I don't really see it. I mean, is that it? I don't know, guys. My wildflowers are doing good too. The Spanish lavender. Still got a couple flowers there. I can't wait to eat that. Look how pretty that is. My goodness. This is a pussy willow bush. Okay, guys. Until next time. Bye.